Have you ever wondered how your brain works? That magnificent organ inside your skull is responsible for every thought, every emotion, and every memory you've ever had. Today, we're going on a journey through the fascinating landscape of the human brain. We start with the cerebrum, the largest part of the brain. The cerebrum is the command center for most conscious activities. It's your cerebrum that makes the final call on your actions and reactions. It's even responsible for your ability to learn and understand complex ideas. Next, we have the cerebellum. Tucked away beneath the cerebellum might be smaller, but it's no less important. This part of the brain plays a crucial role in motor control. It helps with coordination, precision, and accurate timing. So, when you catch a ball or dance to your favorite song, remember to thank your cerebellum. Moving deeper into the brain, we find the brainstem. This structure acts as a relay station, passing messages between various parts of the brain and the spinal cord. It also controls many basic functions, such as heart rate, breathing, and sleeping. It's the unsung hero keeping you alive and kicking without you even realizing it. Now onto the limbic system, a complex network of structures that deals with emotions and memory. It includes the hippocampus, which helps create and store memories, and the amygdala, which plays a key role in emotional responses. Ever felt your heart pound during a scary movie? That's your amygdala at work. Finally, we have the fascinating prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain that makes us uniquely human. It's involved in decision-making, problem-solving, and social behavior. It's the reason you can plan for the future, remember past experiences, and understand others' feelings. So, what have we learned? The brain is an incredibly complex organ made up of different parts, each with their own vital functions. The cerebrum handles conscious activities and learning. The cerebellum aids in motor control. The brainstem maintains basic life functions. The limbic system manages emotions and memories. And the prefrontal cortex allows for advanced cognitive processes. Each part of the brain works together, creating the symphony of thoughts, emotions, and memories that make you, you. So, the next time you marvel at a beautiful painting, solve a complex problem, or remember a cherished memory, take a moment to appreciate the intricate workings of your amazing brain.